math. Now, I hope you guys are really liking doing math through Seesaw. What I like about doing math through Seesaw is I can do videos and explain some things, and it's something that you can come back over and over again. What I've also seen people do is make videos of themselves explaining their work. Oh, amazing. I didn't even think about that. But that makes my heart so excited because you guys are taking ownership of your learning. And you're like, you know what? Future Mrs. Chanel might not understand this concept, so I'm going to explain this to you. I love that. That is taking our knowledge to the next step. Oh, I'm just so happy. So let me go through math. All right. So if I go to schedule, okay, I'm going to scroll down to Monday. So Monday and Tuesday are kind of review days of reviewing different units of measurement. We will be transitioning into topic 14 on Wednesday. So this is just a nice review because obviously we're not going to give you a math test. So this is just kind of like, okay, did they understand the concepts type of thing? So on Monday, you're going to convert all numbers 1 through 9. And here are the tables if you need to use them. And here's an example of how to convert your measurements. And then you're going to do set B, which is 1 through 8. And again, here are your units of length. And here are the metric units of length and capacity. And this is you converting them. Okay. Now, and then this is scratch paper. Now on Tuesday, it's going to look very similar. Oh, okay. So first, you're going to review area and perimeter. So it gives you the perimeter, and you need to find the missing length. It gives you the length and width, and you need to find the area. And then this one is a square. It doesn't really look like a square because Mrs. Chanel had to cut and paste stuff, but it's a square, okay? Which means that every single length and width are the same. So if I need to find the perimeter, I know that I need to do this, that this length, 2 1/2, is the same as this length, 2 1/2. And the same as this length, 2 1/2. And the same as this width, 2 1/2. And here is my formula for perimeter. And then where's area? Well, area is width times height. And I don't know why they don't have it, but essentially here is, here it walks you through that, okay? So width times height, so 9 times 4 would give you the area. Now for part D, you're going to be using these questions to help you be precise. And so the reason why we need to be precise is because we want to make sure that we're using mathematical language, that we understand the correct definition of things, that you're calculating correctly, and just making sure that your answer is clear, right? So these are your thinking habits that you need to consider. So here is your question. A puppy pen is 4 feet wide and 5 feet long. Okay, so a puppy pen, and you can draw that to the side. Is 21 square feet of fabric enough to make a mat for the pen? Explain. Okay, so you need to explain if 21 square feet, right, is big enough for the puppy pen to make a mat. Puppy fencing comes in sizes that are 12 feet, 24 feet, and 30 feet in length. Which length would be best for the pen? How much, if any, will have to be cut off to fit the pen. Okay? So I want you to think, what operation or what formula will help me best? Perimeter or area? Okay? After you figure out what operation would help me best, to figure out what fabric would fit in the bottom of the pen, okay? Then you're going to think, will 21 feet be big enough? Or which one of these lengths of fencing will help with the put around the perimeter of the pen? Okay. Now that's Tuesday. Why is there two? This is Chanel. I'm going to delete you. Delete activity. Okay. Sorry about that, you guys. All right, scrolling up to Wednesday math. So it's just like what we've been doing. You have your solve and share. And this we're going into number sequencing and patterning. So our learning target is I can use to create and expand a number pattern and identify features of the number pattern not described by a rule. So here is your starting number. Here's your rule. What are the next 6 numbers? Okay. Watch the visual learning. Watch the guided practice. And then you're going to attempt these problems. Now, I assigned more problems because since we're adding and subtracting, since we have a lot of knowledge in that, I'm assigning more problems. Now, if it was something like multiplication and division, I might have not assigned as many problems, but because it is addition and subtraction, I kind of just want you guys to get in the habit. Making sure that you're reading the directions, describe the features of the pattern, which I talk about in the visual learning. So making sure that we're watching that. And then here are 2 story questions based off of the patterns of the animals that repeat every 12 years in the Chinese calendar. So I thought that would be fun since we're talking about animals anyways this week. And also like Chinese New Year stuff is interesting to me. And then there is a scratch piece of paper. On Thursday, you're going to watch another look. And then you're going to do numbers 1 through 9, again, reading the directions. And then you're going to do this story problem. And then you're going to do these 2 multiple choice questions. Okay? And that's it for math this week.